Good morning, everybody. Pretty nice sunrise behind me. I'm out here at a lake that I haven't fished in a long time with Jeff from Nexus Fishing. We're gonna head out there this morning and see if we can break our PBs, but we're camping. So I wanted to show you guys something new I got. I picked up one of these little single burner Coleman stoves because I got tired of trying to dig my big stove out from under the bed just to make coffee or something. But the kind of bummer part about this thing was that my coffee pot here doesn't fit. It's just too small. So I found a little hack here as I was sitting in my garage the other night contemplating my decisions. And get this guy screwed on here. Yep. So you can sit that on there and cook your water up, right? Everybody's seen a stove like that, but like I said, this isn't gonna set up there. So, voila, it's a disc brake off of a bicycle. And it fits on there great. I need to wire it down so it doesn't move. This little grill has little holes right here on all these things. So I can wire that right now and that's gonna work perfectly. Now I haven't burned anything on there, so that thing might smoke a little bit. We're gonna get it going. See what happens. Fill this guy up with water here. Had a lighter on it, but it does not. Ooh. There we go. You guys seeing that on camera? Not really. Bam. 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 There we go. Oh, wiggling. All right. So, dang, I can't talk this morning. So that should only take a couple minutes to get that to boil, and then we're gonna get some coffee, coffee in our cups here, and I'm gonna cook myself a little Mountain House breakfast because we've got a long day of catching monsters ahead of us. So I got to be well fed. But I'll show you guys a little shot of the lake here. Beautiful out here. That's not actually the spot we're gonna fish. We are gonna fish up there. We're sitting below the dam right now, but you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to the next video to see if that pans out. Next few videos, let's hope. See if we catch a few fish, but we're just gonna let that go. Could probably turn this heater off, I guess. Conserve some of our propanes. All right, we're cooking here. Steamy. Bring that down to a simmer. Hope I can grab this. Ooh, that's a little warm.
Oh no, yours is the same.
Yeah, same thing.
They look different from back there. I probably got mine cheaper than you. They
mislabeled it?
No, on my app. My app said it was only like $12. I think we had rung it up and it was like 20 something. And I said, no, I'm not paying that. So it shows right here on my app. Also, it shows it on the app and it shows their store. And that product.
They got to sell it to you at that price. Like enough water. Too much water. We shall see.
Straight too.
Like mine, straight black. Sweet and black.
The only way I get it tasting is sweet.
Isn't that just like straight sugar?
No
No?
sugar at all.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I thought they were straight sugar.
Pharmaceutical company makes it.
Huh.
0 sugar.
I am damn surprised.
But yeah, it's a
Learn something new every day.
Pharmaceutical.
I'm surprised. Should be pretty warm pretty quick. Alright, I've got some water ready for my coffee. I can turn this guy off. Ooh, that was like the perfect amount. I couldn't have planned that any better. Check that out. Perfect. So our little disc brake on the stove here worked great. This thing fit perfectly. I just need to get that wired down so it's not flopping around in a drawer in the back here, and that thing will work perfectly. Let's see how this mountain house is doing. Don't know how long don't quite know how long it's been. I'm not paying attention, but we've got the breakfast skillet this morning. See how that tastes. Hash browns, scrambly eggs, pork sausage, peppers and onions. Alright, also I've got the coffee made. This little burner worked really well. And I think my mountain house is about ready. It's nice and warm. Doesn't look too bad, might be a little bit runny, but there's no great way to measure. It'd be nice if there was like a line inside of the packaging that you knew how to fill up far to, but I guess not. No, I don't think so. Just says 12 ounces. It's really not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Well guys, I'm gonna sit here, enjoy my breakfast, watch the beautiful sunrise. You guys can even see. And we gotta get our, I gotta get my rods rigged up. He's way ahead of me. I'm slowing the party up here. And then we're gonna get out there and fish.
Yeah, hurry up.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little hack for the Coleman stove here. We'll have some more camping videos to come. I really appreciate you guys watching. Upload every 3 days. I do fishing, camping, general outdoor stuff. And we're gonna have some boat footage for fishing. Even if I don't catch anything, you guys are gonna see the boat, because I haven't been on a boat all year, so why not, right? So, like I said, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.